Welcome to our channel. Today we tackle a fascinating question. Can food poisoning cause fever? Food poisoning, a common ailment, occurs when we ingest contaminated food or water, leading to a range of unpleasant symptoms. The usual suspects are nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. But can food poisoning also spike our body temperature? This is a question that piques the curiosity of many, so let's embark on a journey to unravel this mystery. Join us as we take a deep dive into the causes of food poisoning and how they can possibly lead to fever. Food poisoning primarily stems from harmful substances found in our food. Let's understand how these culprits operate. Food poisoning is typically the work of bacteria, viruses, parasites, toxins, or chemicals. Bacteria like Salmonella, Campylobacter, and Listeria are particularly notorious, invading our gastrointestinal tract and throwing our digestive system into chaos. Viruses such as norovirus or rotavirus can also disrupt our system, primarily causing symptoms like vomiting and diarrhea. Then there are toxins produced by certain bacteria such as Staphylococcus aureus or Bacillus cereus, which can trigger rapid onset symptoms. And let's not forget about parasites and chemicals, which can also lead to food poisoning. All these perpetrators interfere with the normal functioning of our digestive system, causing an array of unpleasant symptoms. So these are the usual suspects behind food poisoning. But how can they cause a fever? Let's find out. Fever is a common response of our body to infections. But can food poisoning trigger this response? Let's discover the answer. Certain bacteria, specifically Salmonella, Campylobacter, and Listeria, are infamous for causing intense food poisoning, often accompanied by a high fever. These bacteria invade our digestive tract, initiating an immune response that elevates our body temperature. This fever is a sign that our body is actively combating the infection. Now contrast this with food poisoning caused by toxins or viruses. These types of food poisoning, such as those from Staphylococcus aureus or norovirus, generally lead to rapid symptoms like vomiting and diarrhea, but they might not cause a fever. This is because the symptoms are largely due to the toxins themselves, not an active infection. So, while fever can be a symptom of food poisoning, it's not a given. It's more likely with bacterial infections, while toxin and viral cases might not cause it. So, we've learned quite a bit about food poisoning and fever today. Let's summarize what we've discovered. Food poisoning, caused by harmful substances, can indeed lead to a fever in some instances, especially when bacteria like Salmonella and Listeria are involved. However, this is not a universal symptom, particularly in toxin-mediated or viral cases. Remember, if you suspect food poisoning, it's crucial to stay hydrated, rest, and seek medical attention if symptoms worsen. Stay safe and take care.